So good morning students. In this video we will discuss the question and answers of building and self-confidence chapter 6 for class 9th. Okay, so first of all, what is self-confidence? Yes, having some ability to describe yourself in front of individuals or a group of pupils, that is called the self-confidence. So how we build the self-confidence, we will focus on this chapter, and these are the question and answers of this chapter. So let us start. For the question and answers, the very first question is objective type questions. Okay, so first I am giving you the answers of these questions. You have the book, and if you don't have any book, then I am also sending the PDF in your respective WhatsApp groups. Okay, so don't worry about that. Just push this video and write the answers of that particular chapter. Okay, so first objective having answer is third option, third, having faith in your ability. Having faith in your ability. So first का third answer है, yes. Then second the correct option is fourth. All of these is the correct answer. Then third is option number 3. Both of these is the correct answer. Both of these. The next fourth also having the third option is correct. Positive thinking. Okay, positive thinking. And the last one is correct is fourth. All of these. So these are the objective type questions. Then next second is true and false. True and false. So false, true, false, true, false. False, true, false, true, false. These are the true and false. Just take a push this video and write the answers of true and false, or you can fill these answers in your book, and after that you can write in your notebook. Okay, the next question number 3 is what? The fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So I am giving you the answers only. Yes, the question number 1 is consisting 2 blanks, so I am giving the 2 answers. First is success and second is competence. Okay, then fill in the blanks. Second also having 2 blanks. So first blank is behavior and the second one is body language. Okay, then third is recognition. Then fourth also having the 2 blanks. First one is environment and second is health. First blank is environment and second is health. Then fifth also having 2 blanks. Small task and achieve. Okay, small task and achieve. Then last sixth is self-confidence. Okay, so these are the fill in the blanks. Next question number 4, the short answer type questions. Okay, so the very first question is define self-confidence. Yes, so here we discuss about the what is self-confidence. Okay, so we have give to only a definition of self-confidence. Okay, so self-confidence is the belief that one can, belief means होता है मानना, belief that one can achieve success and competence. It means having firm faith in your own capabilities and having sense of reliance and certainty. Okay, अपने आप में faith होना, that is called the self-confidence. Okay, then question number 2, enlist the factor that helps in building self-confidence. So we have to write the factors only. List the factors, okay, which helps in building of self-confidence. So confidence is a state of mind and cannot be learned like a set of rules. Okay, it is not a protocol, it is not a rules that you can learn. Okay, it's just a state of your mind. Okay, so following are the factors. First, social, cultural and physical. So 3 types of factors are there for building self-confidence. Okay, the next question number 3 is what? How can we build self-confidence? So how can you build your self-confidence? So I am giving the 2 points here because it's a short answer type. We can build self-confidence by following tips. Self-acceptance. You have to accept your pros and cons. You have to accept your strength and weaknesses. Okay. The next second is focus on what you have achieved. Focus on what you have achieved. You have to focus what you achieved in your life. Yes. What are the profits you gain? Okay. Then question number 4. What is self-acceptance? What is self-acceptance? So recognizing your self-strength and weaknesses and building on them will help you in gaining self-confidence. So you have to, as I said, you have to accept your strength and weaknesses and then work on them weaknesses to make a self-confident person. Okay. Then question number 5. What is the role of a family in building self-confidence among individuals? What is the role of a family in building self-confidence among your individuals? Means your family members which are helping you for building the self-confidence. What are the role of that family? Okay, so self-confidence is a result of our upbringing. Yes, how we are taught and what we are taught, what the things you have taught and what are your reaction on that. Okay, it is one of the skill that we acquire from how others think about us and how they treat us. This is, yeah, it is one skill which we can acquire from others. Think about us, who I am, yes, and how they treat us. So this is the role of your family members. By the help of these family members, you also acquire some properties. Yes, you also acquire some confidence. Okay, the next question number 5, long answer type questions. Question number 1 is what are the qualities of self-confident person? So you have to write the qualities of self-confident person. So first, the definition of self-confidence. Self-confidence person can recognize their values, strength and accept their weaknesses at the same time. Okay, in fact, confident people are successful at everything. Some more qualities of confident persons are, so these are the 5 qualities of this particular confident person. First, he always focus what he want to do. He always chatting with positive people, always think positively, eat healthy and hygienic food. Okay, the next, make his goal and look for opportunities. Okay, make his goal and look for opportunities. So फर्स्ट सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. अगर आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अब नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में आपको लाइव पढ़ाने वाला हूँ. यस, लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग चलेगी. तो अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आप लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग नहीं देख पाएंगे. यस, क्योंकि मैं लिंक सेंड करूँगा उसकी, पर्टिकुलर जिसने सब्सक्राइब किया हुआ है उसको. तो आप सब्सक्राइब कर लें क्योंकि आप डायरेक्ट लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग होगी. मैं लाइव आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर्स या फिर कुछ भी टॉपिक है आपका जो डाउट टॉपिक है वो मैं इसको शॉर्ट्स बना के आपको दूंगा, वो आप देख सकते हैं छोटे छोटे टॉपिक्स पर. तो आपको सब्सक्राइब करना इंपॉर्टेंट है. उसके लिए आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ में बेल आइकन भी क्लिक कर लें जिससे आपको नोटिफिकेशन तुरंत आपको मिल जाए जो भी हम लाइव क्लास करेंगे उस टाइम पर. ठीक है, तो सब्सक्राइब करना इंपॉर्टेंट है. यस, अगर आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, नीचे देखिए आपको नीचे एक बटन दिख रहा होगा कंप्यूटर नॉलेज 24/7 के जस्ट सामने सब्सक्राइब. यस, तो जैसे सब्सक्राइब पर क्लिक करेंगे तो एक बेल आइकन आएगा, उस पर भी क्लिक कर लें. क्लियर, सब्सक्राइब करना इंपॉर्टेंट है एवरी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. जो भी क्लासेस में है 8th 9th 10th सबको सब्सक्राइब करना इंपॉर्टेंट है. यस, ओके. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हाउ फिजिकल फैक्टर्स सच एज अवर हेल्थ, एनवायरनमेंट, अपीयरेंस एटसेट्रा हेल्प इन बिल्डिंग द सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. दीज physical factors, so we have to think on these 3 fields: health, environment, appearance and etc. So first, physical factor. Neat and clean surroundings not only makes us happy but also keeps the negative thoughts away from us. This is called the environment. Okay, this is called the environment. We have negative environment, we have also have the positive environment. If we talk like the positive people, then we have the positive environment, and if we talking the negative people, then we have create a negative environment. So it's just based on your talking with the pupils, negative pupils or positive pupils. So it's up to you what type of environment you have. Okay, the next, a physically strong and healthy body will encompass a strong mind too. When you have a healthy mind, body and spirit, then only the feeling of self-confidence will boost. Yes, physically strong and healthy body will encompass a strong mind. If you have a healthy body or a healthy mind, then your mind is also strong too. When you have a healthy mind, body and spirit, then only the feeling of self-confidence will be boost or increase. Okay. Next, people who are intellectually stronger also have high self-esteem. Such people keep themselves updated by enhancing their knowledge. So this is question number 2, long answer type. The next, you just push the video and write the answer, no problem. The next, question number 3, discuss the role of culture and value system in building self-confidence. Discuss the role of culture and value system in building the self-confidence. So what is the role of culture and value systems? You have to write. So we acquire our value system from the culture, race or religions that we belongs to. Yes, the religion we can belongs, we acquire some value system from that. Also, these culture, race or religions have a great impact on our personality. Our society is a male-dominated society. That means males are superior than females. Okay, so you have to write add one word here. Males are superior than females. You have to add superior. Okay, here superior than females. But now this scenario is now changing. Females also gain a level of confidence for taking decisions. Okay, but now this scenario is changing. Females also gain a level of confidence for taking decisions. Okay, then next, the culture, tradition and the value system have evolved and advanced in due course of time. Means it just changed during the course of time. Even the technological advancement have brought a change in the perspective of religion and culture. So by the help of this technological advancement, there is increased the level of self-confidence and so people just become a better human being. People wants to become a better human being. Okay, if these things are advancement, like technological advancement, cultural advancement, yes, religion. So by the help of these advancement, people become to be a better human being. Okay. So this is the question number 3, and the next question number 4. What is self-confidence? Is it necessary to have self-confidence? Give an example to justify your answer. So start from the definition. Self-confidence. Confidence is a state of mind and cannot be learned like a set of rules. It comes from believing in yourself, ourselves, around skills, abilities and experiences. Positive thinking, knowledge, practice, training, talking to other pupils, etc. are a few ways to enhance your confidence. Okay, it is trait we all wants to possess. Next, yes, the question is, what is it necessary to have self-confidence? Then yes, it is necessary to have self-confidence, because with the help of self-confidence but without self-confidence you cannot express yourself in front of. So there's one change. Wait a minute. Okay, so there's one change. Without self-confidence, okay, yes, it is necessary to have self-confidence, because without self-confidence you cannot express yourself in front of group of pupils or individuals. Okay, तो आप या तो group of pupils के सामने या individuals के सामने आपको अपने आप को express नहीं पाएंगे. ये without यहाँ पर मैंने add किया है without self. Okay, so it is also an outcome of our experiences and how we react to different situations. It is also an outcome of our experience and how we react to different situations. हम different situations पे कैसे react कर रहे हैं उस पर भी depend कर रहा है. Next, if you want to become an eminent speaker, it is one example. If you want to become an eminent speaker, so you want some courage and confidence to begin by expressing your opinion and viewpoint in front of friends or a group of people. So you just want the confidence, a level of confidence or level of courage. Then you only begin your expressions, yes, or your opinion or a viewpoint in front of pupils or in front of your friends also. So you have the confidence for that. Okay, then subscribe the channel. Next, discuss how self-acceptance and thinking positively help in building our self-confidence. Okay, self-acceptance, it means to accept your achievement and also the weaknesses at the same time. What is the meaning of self-acceptance? It means accept your achievements and also the weaknesses at the same time. Recognizing your strength and building on them will help you in gaining self-confidence. We can improve self by paying attention to that situation when you confidence increase, and also the situations which dishearten you. Okay, think for these are the answers. you just push the video and write the answer. Okay, then last, subscribe the channel. Everybody, this is the icon subscribe button. You just click on the subscribe button, then there is one bell icon is open. Okay, just like this, subscribe this, then the bell icon will come here, and just push this bell icon also, then you get the notifications of all my videos and the live streaming also. Okay, then till then, stay safe, stay home, goodbye.